Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Isaac and today we're going to talk about something that is another informatic video, which is we're going to talk about how we're going to handle e-waste and what's the benefit of handling e-waste. So there's actually 4 main points and we're going to talk about it with my friend. So let's go guys.
Hi guys, my name is Rosyaidi. Today, I will tell you the benefit of managing e-waste. Okay, first point is how to find and recycling of the destination. There are many places that are received damaged or broken electronics. I will give you a link that will help you to find and disposal place that receive e-waste. Okay, this is a link. Okay, my friend. If you miss that link, you can find it in the description below after this video. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Ras and I want to do another point to the benefit that the electronic company will return to the manufacturer. The big company in Malaysia and the company like Dell, LG, Samsung and Sony and others they offer take the solution that collect all the device to the TV and appliance and computer. This program collect a million of pounds of e-waste that will have the otherwise end up in the landfill and use them to create the new one. So the company collect their brand to want to use the e-waste because they collect and them to create a new one. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you again.
So guys, here we are. The first thing you do is take your token and then wait your turn. It's all very systematic here, huh?
Acha. So I know exactly what the problem with my phone is. The best thing is, these guys actually open up your phone right in front of you, so you know what the issue is and the extent of damage that has happened. There's also an e-waste bin for disposal of unwanted materials.
Now I've got my estimate. And this one can cross-check through the QR code or the Audi chatbot.
What up guys? Hope you guys recognize me. I'm the Mr. Phone Thrower from the last video. Okay, in this video, I'm not gonna throw any phones for sure. Just wanna share with you guys the benefits of electronic waste management. Okay, this electronic waste management could extend the life of your electronics. Okay, a proper e-waste management can be as simple as taking care of your electronics. Consider a case or a proper screen protector for your screen. It could extend its lifespan. Okay, in case if phone is broken or something, you still can take it to the nearest repair stop to fix it rather than buying a new phone. So just don't use the broke way to define you rich guys. Just act smart. I think that's it from me. It's Shoban Mate signing off.
Alright guys, so last but not least, I'm just gonna tell you guys that you guys can actually donate all of your unused electronic to the government or any association that actually taking care of the electronic that has been unused for a long time. So with that being said, if you guys do that, it will actually ease their work, it will make their job even easier, and also it will help you guys to make the earth being better. So with that being said, save our home, our air, our lives, and our earth. So guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a giant thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow all of our social media. I will put link down below. And also, don't forget to share. And remember guys, you can make it better.